Ladies and gentlemen, next performance is a special one because I am to call upon on stage, invite on stage a model. She's a Tibetan, a true Tibetan, and I guess she's an inspiration to so many people, especially the youngsters in the world, who actually would feel at times depressed about being their own self. And this personality actually teaches us so many lessons in our lives. I would like to address all the youngsters. Have you heard about the name Tenzin Meriko? Yes. She's an inspiration to many all over the world. It's not just about Tibetan, it's about the world itself. The youngsters, everybody in life should feel proud. You should know how to own your own self, the body and the self itself. So when we these days are very conscious about our appearances, what we are, what we wear, how do we look, the hairstyles and the makeups and etc, etc, etc. Meriko has actually set up a benchmark to all to love yourself the way you are. Without much ado, ladies and gentlemen, amongst a huge round of applause, I would like to call on stage Tenzin Meriko, ladies and gentlemen. National sensation, Tenzin Meriko. Thank you so much for this performance. Here, before I move further, once again we would like to thank Tenzin Merikola, and I will please request you on stage once again. And on behalf of the organizing committee and Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council and Ladakh Nomadic Festival, we would like to extend gratitude with the traditional Kathaks for coming all the way here to this beautiful festival, and thank you so much for inspiring. Thank you.